Welcome everybody back to another week of GoBots. This is Fitor, F-I-T-O-R. He's a bad guy, a renegade. He was evidently the second in command. Seems like he was in the cartoon quite frequently. And as typical as GoBots, they're, I'm just impressed. As little as there is to them, I'm amazed at how good they look. Just think dollar for dollar, the more I mess around with them here, the more I'm impressed with. Like I say, dollar for dollar, they're better than Transformers. I know that may be sacrilege, but now his legs are not strong enough to stand up. One leg is, but the other one sort of fades on him. I don't think whatever was locking him in place is long since faded. But I say, simple transformation, not a bad looking robot when it's all said and done. Like I say, if you taking the scale into consideration, I think that's a really good. I'm not sure. I don't think there's. He did stand up on his own there, but barely. I think if I move him too much, he wouldn't. But I say it's a cool looking. I think according to the wiki I was reading up on, he's a space fighter. So he's and I say it's sort of he's got the chrome turbo jets or whatever. Turbines. No, it wouldn't be turbines on that. It'd be thrusters. It looks like, actually it does have, if I wanted to take that apart and look and see if I could fix it, I could. I'll try and say that. I'll save that for a later date. That's something, there's a screw right there on top. I say it was right there in front of me. I didn't see that. But I think this is one of those, looks really cool to me. Got a good profile as far as the fighter jet situation. Of course, it'll turn it over so it's sort of becomes patently obvious what it is. But I say from most angles, it looks like a passable idea of what we had a space fighter would be in the 80s when I was 8 or 7 or whenever I was playing with these. But yeah. I like it. I think he's a cool little dude. I'm pleased with him. Gonna go right up there next to Leader 1 and Turbo and Crasher and all the others that I've shown so far, plus the ones I've got the rest this week. So, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.